Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will see how we can set expiration date for pages as well as post. Okay, so if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so basically for this, WordPress does not provide any inbuilt functionality. So we will use plugin for this. So what we will do, we will just go in plugins. Okay, so we'll go in plugins and click on add new. Okay, here you just need to search publish press. Okay, okay, so after searching for that, you need to go for this first plugin here which says publish press future automatically unpublish WordPress post. Okay, just click on install now. Okay, once it installs, then go to activate. Okay, now the plugin is activated. Okay, so let's go to post first. Okay, so we are on the post page. Okay, so this post we have created in previous video. So we will open this. Okay, before opening this, now you can see a new column here which says expires. Okay, now it is set to never. We will need to set actually. Okay, so let's go in and edit this page. Oh, sorry, post. Okay, so now let's scroll here and yeah, okay, you will find this publish press future. Okay, and here is a checkbox for enabling post expiration date. Okay, so just click on it and now you will have time. You can select AM PM, also you can select the time zone. Okay, and then from here you can select the date. Okay, the month, date and year. Okay, so basically from now you can easily set the expiration date for your post. Okay, and now here is how to expire. Okay, after expiration date, how you want your post to be. Like if you want to make it in a draft, you can select draft, or if you want to delete it permanently, you can select this delete, or you can make it trash private. Okay, there are many options here, so probably you can keep it as a draft. Okay, so and then yeah, you just need to publish it. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's see the option for pages also. Let me close this. Okay, we'll click on leave and just go on pages. Okay, this page we have also created in last video. We'll just open it and yeah, now you can find here also there is the option for setting the expiration date. Okay, so we'll click again and the same options are there, time, date, okay, and how to expire. So this is how you can set the expiration date for the pages as well as the post. Okay, sometimes it is necessary, sometimes there is a condition like if we want a page to get expire or any post to get expire. Okay, so this is how you can set the expiration dates. Okay, so I hope you have understand this video. If you have any issue related this video, you can comment below so that I can help you out. Okay, so thank you for watching video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.